I'm Hunter. I'm here with Tommy Broyles, the CEO of Sales. We're here at the Hikes Point Paint and Wallpaper with Benjamin Moore. Now, Tommy, you went into a little bit of a detail about the Aura exterior.
Mhm.
I see that we have an interior Aura as well.
Exactly.
Could you go in a little more detail about that?
You know, I'm a big fan of Aura on a lot of things. I'm not a fan of it so much on other things. It has its click. The advantage of using an Aura product, there's a lot of advantage to using it. One, if you have a deep, dark color, you know, we guarantee 2-coat coverage in Aura and any Benjamin Moore color. And now, that's reds, yellows, anything like that. And if it doesn't cover in 2 coats, then we will work with you to get another coat on. But now what comes along with that is sometimes it may be a coat of foundation color and 1 coat of paint. It's still a 2-coat system. We have, what's unique to us is a red primer and a yellow primer. This primer can be used interior or exterior. We tint the primer to the color. So you put 1 coat of primer, which we like to call the foundation base, and then 1 coat of finish, 2-coat coverage in any colors. And you know how you get those vivid reds and yellows, and you know they're just hard to cover. We have it all the time. People will go, I got 4 coats of this on, and it won't cover. This won't do that. Another beauty of this product is a time thing. You know, a lot of times you're going in to paint something and you're using other products and you have to wait 4 hours in between coats, 3 hours in between coats. With this, you can paint over in 30 minutes. You know, Aura dries that fast that you can typically just, once you're done, take you a little break, go back in, put another coat on. So, you know, if you have someone who wants their living room done, but they got to be at work and they want to be at the house and you got to be done by noon. Well, you don't want to set up, go put 1 coat on, leave, come back the next day. You come in and you use a product like this, you put 1 coat on, wait 30 minutes, put your 2nd coat on, they're gone, they're off to work. Then we also have the Aura Bath and Spa, which is made for high moisture content areas, bathrooms, whatever. It is exactly what it says it is, bath and spa. We can tint it, comes in any color. You know, so if someone has moisture problems in their bathroom and they show the lines where the color is coming through, you know, that's where you would use something like this, you know.